What's up YouTube? I want to make a quick video on how I put a brake controller on this 2018 Tacoma. So I got this mounted on here. This is one of the brake controllers that Kirk makes. It's dash mounted, so it's a little bit cleaner of a look. But my truck didn't have the 4x4 switch because it's a two-wheel drive, so I just installed it where the 4x4 switch is. But if you guys are wondering how to take this panel off, the first thing you got to do is take this panel off, and literally you just pull it off. Like it literally just comes out. It pops right out. Once you got this off, there's no plugs or anything connected to this. It comes right out. Set it aside, just put it over there. Then this here has your engine start stop plugged in. It has your high and low fan. It has your temp, and it has this plugged in. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs in here. And there will be a dead plug in here that doesn't do anything. You can just leave that one tucked behind the dash. But all you got to do to take this panel off is pop this off right here. You just pull this off, and once that comes off, you kind of push this out of the way, reach behind here, and pop this panel off. And it's literally that easy. Once you pop it off, unscrew your plugs, or take off your plugs, and you're good to go. The other thing that I found really kind of tricky on this truck was locating the brake controller harness that came with the truck. So if your truck came with a tow package, up under here behind this kick panel, and it's all the way behind all this stuff right here. It's literally like against the firewall right there where my finger is, and you just gotta kind of fish for it, but it's right back there. Once you pull that out, this is held in right here by this little plastic screw, and before you take this off, it's easier if you remove this right here, and this just as well pops off right at this crease right here where it kind of fits together. This pops off, then take the kick panel off. It really wasn't that bad. It was a lot harder because of the fact that it's my first time doing it, but honestly, these trucks, the way they're put together, everything just pops right off, and it's really easy. So I hope this helps. I know I didn't film it while I was doing it, but literally this panel, that's all you got to do. Take this off first, pop this off, this panel here. Once that's off, you can reach behind here, pop this side off, pop that side off, and then there's one on the top here, one clip. So there's a clip here, clip here, clip here. Once that comes out, then you just disconnect your plugs. This comes off, then you can drill in your brake controller switch. And that's it. That easy. Hope you guys, hope this helps out. Alright, bye-bye.